Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a beat. Now in this lesson, we want to consider the PMT function. Okay, the PMT function actually belongs in the financial category, and you can use it to actually calculate the payment for a loan based on constant payments and a constant interest rate. So we can actually use it to actually calculate monthly payments or whatever payments. Okay, payments can be of different types. Okay, can be monthly, can be quarterly, annually, or biannually. Okay, so in this situation, we want to calculate monthly payments. Okay, so like we said, the PMT function calculates the payment for a loan based on constant payments and a constant interest rate. So let's get into it. So let's say you want to access loan to buy a car or something. Okay, now this is the loan amount. Okay, and this is the interest rate. This is the rate you're going to be making that payment on. Okay, and then you want to pay it over a period of 36 months. So let's see how we can actually get it done. So insert my parentheses. Okay, now there are some arguments which we have to satisfy. Okay, for the PMT function, the first is the rate. Okay, so in the rate argument, we want to click on cell B2. Okay, cell B2, that's where the rate is 5%. Okay, now because it's a monthly payment, we want to divide it by 12. Okay, we divide this by 12. Okay, now if to a quarterly, we divide it by 4. If to a biannually, divide it by 2. Okay, and so on. So it's a monthly payment, so we divide it by 12. We now move on to the next argument. Okay, which is the number of periods. Okay, and the number of periods argument, that's where we click on this 36 here, which is our number of periods, the months. Okay, now we now move on to the next argument. Okay, the next argument is our PV, which is present value. Okay, that's actually the loan amount we're actually trying to access. Okay, so now click on cell B1. Okay, and then I hit enter. Okay, so that's now the monthly payment on this loan based on these parameters. Okay, this is my monthly payment. So my monthly payment now is going to be $1,498.54. So depending on whatever currency you're using. Okay, now you can actually see that it puts this in red. Okay, now PMT function actually calculates, puts it in red because these are deductions, okay, because it's an outflow. Okay, so now if I want it to actually be a positive value, if I want PMT to return positive value, what I simply do in my present value, okay, in the present value argument, I can just type a minus there, and this will now make PMT to return a positive value. Okay, so that is how to actually calculate monthly loan payments using the PMT function in Excel. So that's how we actually calculate monthly loan payments using the PMT function in Excel. Okay, don't forget to engage me in the comment section, share, subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Thank you very much.